Alright, so this video is mainly about one headlighters, and in this first clip there's gonna be a guy that's flipping on and off both his headlights. I've seen this before. I wonder how many targets out there see this where they flip through them. Look, he turns one off, then he turns the other off, and then he alternates. I've seen this before, and I wonder how many of you guys out there have seen it too. But that they're able to turn both on and off at the same time and then alternate between them. These next clips were yesterday on my way back from work on the highway. I drive out of town, and there's no audio in these, but look. There's gonna be a lot of one headlighters out here on the highway. Look, to show again, look, the left one or the right one is out. But I have no audio on these clips because I was listening to music. And look, there's one with no headlights. Right? I was listening to music and it'd be distracting, so there's no audio on this one. But look, another one with no headlight. It's always the right one, like they want me to see on that side. But I'll show some examples of some with both headlights, some without the headlights, and one with, like, that's both headlights right there, right? And then another one has both headlights, just so you guys could see. They were doing a lot of one headlighters after work yesterday, and I think they did it on purpose in the middle of the day because sometimes it's hard to see with the glare, but I can capture it here good. Look, see, the one on the left is on, the one on the right is off. There's one with both, right? Just so I can show you guys both. This next one is pretty clear. It's gonna have two fog lights on, but one headlight on. Look, you'll see. There should be 4 lights, but there's 3, you see? The one on the right's out. And as you can see in the timestamp, this is all on the same day, right? All on the same day, on the same trip from home from work. But look at this. One tail light on the top and the bottom and the left is out, right? I didn't even notice that until I looked back at the footage. I just noticed there was a bunch of one headlighters and all kinds of stuff on my way from work, so I had to capture this. You see, there's gonna be another one coming up soon, right here. So how people who don't believe this or don't know about this, how often is there gonna be a car without a headlight? And this is all in like a 40-minute span, right? Just to prove the point. Right, and I'll show more examples of ones with both, like right here, right? Just so you could see. Yeah, it has both lights, just so you could see the difference, right? And right here, I'm back in town. I'm getting close to my house. Heading down a path I usually take. Sometimes I switch it up, but, you know, for the sake of showing evidence, sometimes I'll just go the same path because I know I'm going to capture some things. But right up ahead here, you're going to see another one headlighter. And then later on, when I get close to my house, they're going to do some color symbolism on me. Kind of hard to see because of the glare, but right here you can see that it has the one on the right out. It seems like that's usually the one they had out on this day yesterday. I don't know if that means anything or what, or maybe because I'm on that side, so it's supposed to make me see it easier. But right up ahead, you're gonna see 2 ladies wearing red and black, and they're gonna synchronize perfectly. And my house is just up around the corner, right? So right here, straight up ahead, this is what I first see. It's a woman wearing red and black, right? She's walking. And then another one right here, right as I get to the stop sign. They synchronize right on time. And the lady right there walking across, she had her phone in her hand and everything, looking down. So you seen that? Right at that corner. Tell me how there was one girl one woman wearing red and black, and coming from the other side of the sidewalk, another girl wearing red and black. What are the odds? So this was last week, and this was actually, I used a clip in one of my videos of this footage right here, because that truck in front of me had a Freemason sticker on the back. But I was going to go wash my car that's right next to a gas station to the right, and right before I was gonna go into the car wash part, because there's a car wash and a gas station, watch what happens. As I'm pulling up, look, the car wash is to the left. Look, this truck, this semi, and then to the right of it is a garbage truck, right? All three of them just pull out, so I have to go straight and it won't let me pass. And so I turned this way. Even that garbage truck was gonna go just to cut me off, so I went around, right? This is one of the tactics they do, the street theater, little street theaters they do. See, there's the car wash right there.